Hi everybody, I'm going to generate a short video where I show you how to download a shapefile and open it up in R and at least do the basic mapping of the shapefile. So you notice in the running notes, and by the way, I notice only one person has put their tasks here on the running notes, so you should all be doing that. So on the running notes here, we have this 2012, this link to the statewide database. So let's go and open that. And we see that these are geographic data, so we're going to download the shapefile. We're going to use these SHP format. So we're just going to find Santa Clara County down here. Santa Clara, there's San Francisco, San Benito, where's Santa Clara? Oh, Santa Clara, yeah. There's Santa Clara, and here's the shapefile, this one. There's other shapefiles here. I'm not quite sure what they are. Let's just go ahead and download this one so we can see how we do it. So we click on that. It downloads. I already downloaded it before. So this is a .zip file, so we need to extract it. So if we go to the my cursor a little bigger, go to the folder where it is. You can, on a Windows machine, you right click and click extract all. On your machine, you Mac, typically you'd have some, Mac will extract it automatically maybe. So we extract it and I'd already done that. So now we have these files. So notice up here, I see the file path. And here is the file, the .shp file. So I'm going to copy this file path. I'm going to go over to R, have a blank script. I'm going to have two library commands, library tidyverse. I'll just put in tidyverse. Then we'll have library SF for simple features. And then we'll have library, what else do I want? SF, tmap. Yeah, for mapping things. So I have three libraries that I'll need for this, so I'll run those. So they load. They have to be installed, of course. Now I'm going to read the file. I'll call it SCC. So then the assignment operator. And the command is read underscore ST to read no, I'm sorry, it's ST underscore read. ST underscore read. Yeah. Let's read layers from a file or data set. Read simple features. Yeah. So that's what I want is to read. And now I need to put in the file path, but R only takes forward slashes, so I need to turn each one of these into a forward slash. That's the path. And now I need to give it the file name. So I'll go back here, find the file name. Here's the file name .shp. So the extension is .shp. I only have to give it this one. It'll look for the other two and find them. So when I run this, um, I have in my environment now SCC. That was very fast. It seemed like so. Did I already have that? Yeah. So I have SCC. I can look at this and see, okay, it's the precincts. They're numbered. It's got a geometry that's a polygon. So if I want to map this, all I do is tmap, tm shape, SCC. And then what shape do I want? I'm going to just draw the borders. And that's it. And now I get a map here in my window of the borders. I can make this fuller screen and sort of zoom in on it. I think I can do that. Maybe I can't. I can make it even bigger, right? So these are all the precincts in Santa Clara County for that 2012 election. So these are geometries. We'll call them geometries. We see here there's 2,073 multi-point polygons. So each one of these little things is a polygon. And that's our, very first map of Santa Clara County's voting districts in 2012 election. The voting districts change, the precincts change from election to election. So what we want to do is find maybe the ones for 2024 if we're going to look at how crime affected elections in 2024. I could make up some data and color these. So let's do one more thing. So we'll go SCC. We're going to assign what we do back to SCC. We're going to start with SCC. We're going to pipe it. We use the pipe syntax. We pipe it into a mutate command. And our mutate command is going to be to generate, we'll just make a value for, we'll call it population. And we'll just say that population is going to be to sample from 20 to 200 um, n rows. So I think n rows will do that. And then replacement equals true. So let's see if that's, no, it's, maybe it's n underscore rows. No, it's row, row n. No. So I'll go over to my um, find number of rows in R. The command is nrow. So we'll go over back there and where'd my R go? That works. I guess I need to tell it how many, what the data set is, nrow SCC. No. Did I not have, I have something wrong here with the syntax. Oh, I definitely need one more. Oh, I see. I closed this early. Yeah, there we go. Hmm, place equals true. Oh, maybe it's replace, not replacement. Oh, there we go. Sorry, it took me a while to get the syntax, just trial and error. So now we have a variable called population. Um, and I just made random numbers. So I think what we can now do is draw the polygons and color them by the population. Polygons, and I think fill equals population is the syntax. Yeah, there we go. So it colored them by a palette of blues. That's the default. The more populous are darker blue, the less populous are lighter blue. So just to show you how we can map the polygons instead of the borders if we want to color the polygons by some number.